The DS18 ZXI-464 coaxial car speakers deliver surprisingly clean and full sound for their compact 4x6-inch size, making them a strong upgrade over many factory systems. With a two-way design and well-tuned crossover, they reproduce both vocals and high frequencies with clarity that stays consistent even at higher volume levels. The fiberglass cone and sturdy surround feel solidly built, helping these speakers handle daily use and elevated volume without obvious distortion or fatigue. Power handling is well balanced, as they work efficiently on standard head units, but really come alive when paired with an aftermarket amplifier that can feed them steady power. Installation is straightforward for most 4x6-inch locations, and the shallow profile helps them fit in tighter factory openings without major modification. Because they are part of a larger DS18 ZXI lineup, it is easy to build a matching system with compatible subwoofers and amplifiers for a cohesive sound and appearance.